Whether you are servicing your machines or have a preventative maintenance schedule with your local Taylor team, you should always ensure a thorough maintenance check is being performed on your equipment. Before beginning any work on the lift, the wheels should be chocked, ensure the parking brake is engaged, and lock out the machine. Use the Taylor PM checklist found in the back of your machine's maintenance manual to go over the 500-hour maintenance interval that should be performed in conjunction with this 1,000-hour maintenance interval. Before beginning any work, you should refer to the safety section of your maintenance manual and the safety instructions in the section pertaining to the area of work. There are other intervals when more major inspections and maintenance items are to be addressed, like structural inspections. Compare your hour meter to the PM chart to determine which inspections are required. Start by checking and cleaning your engine's EGR valve. Detailed instructions for cleaning the EGR valve can be located in your machine's maintenance manual. Drain and change the transmission fluids. Then clean the transmission subscreen. To order a Taylor PM kit for your lift truck, contact your local Taylor representative. This completes the 1,000-hour preventative maintenance interval checks. For more service and maintenance information, visit our website, www.suddenserviceinc.com.